Hello there and welcome back to another video from DaveTech. Today we're going to be downloading the TikTok app onto your Android TV, TV box or Google TV. We'll be using a browser and this method will work well on any device running an Android operating system. So if your TV is running an Android OS, this will work well for you. Head over to your browser. In this case I'm using the Google browser. Any browser of choice on an Android OS will work well. So get there and search for the application you wish to download. In today's tutorial, we're downloading TikTok. So you type in Tik, so TikTok app. And when you're in, you'll see it offered by a variety of sites. I want you to focus on the site with play.google.com and click on that link. That will take you to this Google's web store and you should see an install button. But if it's your first time, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. Log in, and after that, install the application. After clicking on install, you wait for a couple of seconds for it to download, and when it is done, you have it saved directly in your app library for you to enjoy the TikTok application. If you found value in this tutorial, I would like you to share with somebody who needs it as well. Subscribe so that I'll see you in the next video.